Arterial diseases, stenosis due to trauma, atherosclerosis, emboli. It may be 3/4 in the brain causing transient ischemic attacks. 3/4 in the limbs causing claudication and rest pain. In the abdomen causing pain, bloody stool. In the kidney causing hematuria. Dilatations are aneurysms, arteritis, small vessel abnormalities, intermittent claudication. Claudio means, I limp, a Latin word. It is a crampy pain in the muscle seen in the limbs. Due to arterial occlusion, metabolites like lactic acid and substance P accumulate in the muscle and cause pain. The site of pain depends on site of arterial occlusion. The most common site is calf muscles. Pain in foot is due to block in lower tibial and plantar vessels, 70%. Pain in the calf is due to block in femoropopliteal segment. Pain in the thigh is due to block in the superficial femoral artery. Pain in the buttock is due to block in the common iliac or aortoiliac segment, 30%, often associated with impotence and is called as Lerich's syndrome. Pain commonly develops when the muscles are exercising. Cause for pain is accumulation of substance P in metabolites. During exercise, increased perfusion and increased opening of collaterals wash the metabolites. Boyd's classification of claudication XX grade 1. Patient complains of pain after walking, and distance in which pain develops is called as claudication distance. If patient continues to walk, due to increased blood flow in muscle and opening of collaterals, metabolites causing pain are washed away and pain subsides. XX grade 2. Pain still persists on continuing walk, but can walk with effort. XX grade 3. Patient has to take rest to relieve the pain. B. Claudication XX arterial, typically develops after walking for certain distance and resolves rapidly within 5 minutes once walking is stopped. AB. Figs. 1.293 A and B. XX neurogenic, pain develops in standing or walking and disappears immediately after stopping walk. Normal feeling pulses without ischemic changes are present. It is usually due to narrow lumbar canal, spinal canal stenosis. XX venous, it is rare but definitely occurs. It is observed in chronic pelvic venous obstruction as a mechanical high venous pressure. It is usually due to iliac vein thrombosis. Peripheral pulses are normal. Beta blockers may aggravate claudication. Claudication is not that common in upper limb but can occur during writing or any upper limb exercise. Criteria to diagnose intermittent claudication. 1. Cramp-like pain in a muscle, calf muscle. 2. Pain develops only when muscle is exercised. 3. Pain disappears when exercise stops within 5 minutes. Intermittent claudication is due to anaerobic muscle metabolism. Superficial femoral artery is most commonly affected, 70%, causing calf claudication. ABPI decreased by 0.1 below the 0.9 carries 10% increase in relative risk, RR, of major cardiovascular disease in patient with claudication. Rest pain. It is continuous aching in calf or feet and toes or in the region even at rest depending on site of obstruction. It is cry of dying nerves due to ischemia of the somatic nerves. It signifies severe decompensated ischemia. Pain gets aggravated by elevation and is relieved in dependent position of the limb. Pain is more in the distal part like toes and feet. It gets aggravated with movements and pressure. Hyperesthesia is common association with rest pain. Rest pain is increased in lying down and elevation of foot. It may be reduced on hanging the foot down. Rest pain is worst at night and so patient is sleepless at night. During sleeping at night, heart rate and blood pressure diminishes, which further aggravates the hypoperfusion and rest pain. Rest pain is apparently reduced by holding the foot with hand, probably due to suppression of transmission of pain sensation. Anaerobic muscle metabolism occurs even at rest, mainly affecting the foot and leg. Rest pain in a patient suffering from tau. Holding the foot reduces the pain slightly. Features of arterial stenosis, block in limbs. XX intermittent claudication, rest pain XX cold periphery, numbness, paresthesia XX color changes, ulceration, gangrene XX altered sensation and decreased function, movements XX diminished, absent arterial pulsation XX thrill, bruit over the stenosed artery XX altered venous filling, normally it is in few seconds, it is delayed in arterial stenosis, it is rapid in AV fistula.